Make a great choice today with the 2017 Cooper. Agile handling and quick, precise steering make the Mini Cooper lots of fun to drive. The cabin is roomy with plenty of front legroom and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: panoramic moonroof, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, heated front seats, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, overhead console, driver vanity mirror. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.